FS Studio created photorealistic objects in various shapes, sizes, and colors using Omniverse Replicator to help our client validate if using Omniverse Isaac Sim would help them improve the performance of a computer vision model. The objects were made to be detectable by the AI tools in use, and the synthetic datasets were used to help AI see the various types of packages and different lighting conditions and lighting sources. FS Studio also created a realistic trailer interior and an environment with different lighting conditions. FS Studio worked with our client to disassemble their unusable, pre-made library file assets using Houdini, allowing the client to place avatars and high-fidelity 3D models of their own hardware into the scenes.